Maraming college. Is your business has a permit?
Yes.
Okay. So, when did you start your business?
I started my business last 2016.
Ooh. Is your business has a permit?
Yes.
So, when did you start your business?
I started my business last 2016.
What was your mission at the start of your business?
My mission in starting my business is first and foremost to have an income for my family, a source of income to my family, and to have a comfortable every day.
How many employees does your business have?
5 employees.
What services or products do you offer?
We offer hair bonding, haircut, manicure, pedicure, and hair treatment.
How do you advertise your business?
We advertise our business by posting social media and having a promo in order for the customer to come in and to avail our services.
How long have you worked in business management?
It's been 13 years.
So, how did you come up with the name for your business?
Because it's my name, it's like inspiration is my name.
What is unique about your business?
The uniqueness of our service. We offer a quality service that the customer would satisfy.
How much time do you spend working on your business each day? How much your income per month?
30 to 40,000.
How do you properly manage your business?
Yes, because hindi naman siya magtatagal lang yung makatagal. Ilang years na hindi siya na-manage.
How does your business compare to competitors in the market?
Actually, we don't have any competition with a salon owner, but it's dependent on the services that we offer and the quality of our service.